my presentation of my dinner grits. After this presentation, I will show you how to make these easy, wonderful, delicious dinner grits. There's grits for breakfast, and now we're going to have grits for dinner because grits right now is just like mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and baked potato, rice. Yes, grits that move up to the notch, y'all. They are delicious. I see people eat grits just for breakfast and that's it. But baby, you can make these into a dinner. Look at this dinner set. You bring this to the table, somebody will say, what is this? These are dinner grits. What? Dinner grits. That's what they saw. And you just dig in there and get the little grits out of there. Look at that. Cheese, but make sure that you use butter. Look at that. These dinner grits are fabulous, y'all. So I just want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and get these little simple recipes. Who in the world could not resist dinner grits with some black eyed peas or fried chicken or either a steak? Yes, indeed, you can eat that. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. And after this presentation, get this recipe on how to do these dinner grits. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is about grits. I love grits for breakfast, and I have started eating grits with different meals. Grits have turned into one of the staples like mashed potatoes, baked potato, rice and gravy. You can do that with grits as well. Yes, indeed. So what I'm going to show you is how to make some dinner grits. In this bowl is grits that I had already cooked. I made sure that they was really dry because I put them in the microwave to dry them out. I'm going to add some butter to this. Now you have to use butter. You have to use butter. Don't use margarine because margarine has a tendency to have water in it. So you have to use butter. You're going to stir the butter all up in like this. These grits are delicious with a steak. Yes, you can eat grits with steak. A lot of people say, whoa, it's no limit with grits now. They're a staple now. So you get the butter all in there just like that. Then get some Parmesan cheese. Yes. Slide it in there like that, y'all. Okay, and then you're going to use some Cajun season. Just a little, not a lot. Just to give it a little taste. And we're going to stir this up like this. I just made a small amount. Not a lot, just a small. It smells delicious already, y'all. Already smells delicious. Then I'm going to add some cheese. A lot of cheese on top, just like that. Take the place of macaroni cheese, just like that. And then we're going to add some parsley flakes on top, just like that. And that is a simple recipe. And I'm going to let you see what it looked like. Get my little salsa. Dip in there like that. And that is your dinner grits. You can put any of the season you want. You can put cumin, chili powder. You want Italian, make it Italian. You can make it anything you want by putting your seasons in. This is what this is. This is delicious, y'all. I call it dinner grits. And it has a fabulous taste. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now make sure you use real butter. Don't use the margarine. Because margarine have a tendency to make it real wet. This is I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.